There's a feature in Presenter called Inherit Background, and it's one way to set the same background to multiple service items. For example, let's say you like to show a video feed of the live worship band on the screen behind all of the songs, or you want a specific motion graphic or image behind all of the songs in scripture slides. Instead of going into each and every service item and having to apply the backgrounds individually, you'll just apply the background to the first item in the consecutive list. Then for the following items, instead of applying that same background again, just click this checkbox for Inherit Background. And now this item is inheriting whatever background the item above it has, and you can tell that this item is using the Inheriting Background feature because it's indicated by this down-facing arrow. For even faster workflow, you can use the bulk editor. Just keep in mind that this only works for consecutive service items, so in the case of these latter 3 songs, you'll want to reapply the desired background to the first song in this consecutive order before applying the inherit function to the following 2 songs. Use this trick in your services if you want a seamless background that spans multiple service items.